Hello unique viewers, you're watching Unique Views. I am your host Mahesh, and in this video we are going to see about the largest video platform, that is YouTube on internet. So let's roll the intro. First of all, thank you one and all for supporting my channel and making my channel to reach 1300 subscribers. And let's come back to the topic, that is YouTube, the largest platform on internet, which is having 50 million creators and 1.8 billion viewers worldwide. So one question I want to ask you in this video, that is whether you select the content to watch in YouTube, or YouTube is dividing the contents for you. So let's see the points which are determining all these factors. Here in this video I'm not doing any clickbait or I'm not bluffing. Actually, as I have seen YouTube from around 2-3 years before, it was better one. You had a good opportunity for the genuine creators or the good content creators, but after time, time has passed and people came to YouTube, and now it has been a dustbin which is filled with garbage only. Why? Because for example, there are two people, one is a genuine creator, one is the creator for these garbage things, who one side a genuine creator who creates a genuine video and uploads it, but the other side here a person who creates the garbage and gets the most view, which tackles with the genuine creator, and this guy, the genuine creator, loses his hope, his work, hard work, whatever he had done, he will lose his hope, and then he will face a bad time, he will fall down. And this side, the person who did the waste nonsense videos will be growing and receiving views and money, everything, fame, everything they will be getting. If you're a creator or a viewer, it doesn't matter, stay in this video. Will come across what is the matter with these confusions, why the quality content or the genuine creators are not getting the limelight, but the people who do fake things and garbage nonsense contents are getting the spotlight. Now some of you will say, in India we don't have good YouTubers, only foreign people are best in YouTube. Gentlemen and ladies, please concentrate on Indian YouTubers for a while. If you are giving some time to watch Indian YouTubers contents, they are very good. We have to be open-minded. We should not be a stereotypical person to define that only foreigners do good YouTube videos, and if it is an Indian, then they don't do. Just check out a couple of Indian YouTubers where they will be doing good content videos, but they don't have the support. So let's come to the point which determines this division, where there is a whole of a confusion. So first one is YouTube algorithm. As many of you have heard, you need time to cook a good food. The same way, to produce a quality content, you need time. A genuine creator sits down and thinks about the idea, writes the script, edits the video, and then he uploads. This will take a week of time or at least a month. At the same time, other side, people who are creating garbage or the nonsense videos, they take the topic from trending page and then they put some abusive words in that, comment on that, and then what they do, they upload it. This is the main problem. Why? Because the genuine creator requires some time to create a good quality video. This other side, the people who are not giving a good quality content are uploading frequently. For example, one video per day, two videos in 1 week or so. they will be highlighted in YouTube algorithm. Why? Because YouTube algorithm doesn't have its mind, it depends on the statistics. Whatever you do, you have to be consistent. If you are consistent, you are uploading your videos and you are getting likes or dislikes, comments, whatever it may be a positive one or a negative one, there becomes a engagement ratio which increases the view of your video. So that will lead into the growth of your channel. But here a poor quality content creator doesn't have like proper time, who creates the video in a longer period of time, doesn't make the bench. This is the main reason about YouTube algorithm. So the second point is partiality. Now you will say, before you said like once in a month if you are uploading a video, you won't get views, you won't get the popularity, you won't be suggested in YouTube suggestion box. And then you will give example of like Kariminati, BBQ Vines and all of the famous YouTubers in India, and then you say they upload a video per month, then they get the fame. That is the point I am going to say now, that is partiality. In YouTube guidelines, it clearly says YouTube doesn't do partiality like large YouTuber or the small YouTuber, or like the subs doesn't count, everyone are getting equal opportunity, like that. All those things will be discussed in your YouTube guidelines. But in practicality, if you see properly, what happens is, whenever there is a corporation or a popular YouTuber whose subscriber is more, at that time a small YouTuber will not get the chance in the suggestion box, or his video may be good quality content but it doesn't run. Why? Because of the popularity of the corporation or a group of people who are famous. So this is the second point which is dragging back the success of these quality content creators. Now you'll say that the problem is in YouTube only. No, it's not. It's partially true. That is, it depends on the person who's watching the video, that is you, the audience. There are some dumb audience who look at and support or view, comment, like, dislike on the cringe videos. For example, your Dhinchak Puja or all of the TikTok stars who are in YouTube, all they are getting support. Why? Because they are cringe videos, and the audience will look at this video and they laugh, they ditch it, they comment on that, reply on that, and do all sort of things which brings up to the engagement ratio which I said before. That is, your comments, likes, dislikes, everything is added up, and engagement ratio is built on these cringe videos that gets popular. So it's not that simple to make a good videos, but the support from the audience is very much required to get the popularity or to grow the video. What is the solution for these problems now? It's simple, that is you, audience. Why? Because YouTube depends on audience. It's a cycle. YouTube, content creators and audience are interconnected. They are a circle, and the main element of the circle is audience. If you people don't support anyone, then neither the small creator like me or the platform like YouTube will not stand. So what you have to do, whatever cringe content it may be, whatever the comments it may be, whatever the feedbacks of the cringe videos it may be, support a genuine creator. If you come across a small YouTuber whose content is very good but its subscribers are in 100, 1000, 500, whatever it may be, support them. Go and drop a comment on their videos. Why? Because you ditch the videos which are cringe. Why can't you put up some good comments on a good video? At that time, what happens? By your one comment, the genuine content creator may get the energy to get back up and show his potential, work hard to reach your desires. Why? Because you have commented something good in his comment section. So that is a simple solution, but it takes time. There is no instant solution for all these problems, but it takes bit of a time. If you are consistent, if you are doing these works and supporting small YouTubers who are doing good content, then the number of good quality content in YouTube will increase, and these cringe, these garbage, all these things will be reducing, and the platform will be back again how it was in the first place when it was started. So support those who are genuine and don't think about the garbage item which comes in your YouTube homepage. So there I'll end my video. I hope you like this video, so hit up a like button, comment whether it is positive or negative, not a matter. I have to know what you want and how you felt by looking at this video. So give me your feedback about this video in the comment section below. So all the social media links are given in the description. Go and check, follow the social media accounts to get all of the updates. So your host Marsh signing off from Unique Views Forum.